Welcome to our channel, wine enthusiasts. Today, we have something special in store for you. We're going to uncover some unknown facts about one of Italy's most renowned wines, Barolo. So, grab your favorite glass, and let's dive right in. Fact number 1, Barolo is often called the king of wines. Why, you may ask? Well, Barolo comes from the Piedmont region in Italy, where it is produced using the Nebbiolo grape. This grape variety is known for its boldness and complexity, making Barolo a regal and powerful wine. Fact number 2, Barolo is aged for a significantly long time before it's released. In fact, it's a legal requirement for Barolo to be aged for a minimum of 3 years, with at least 2 of those years spent in oak barrels. This aging process gives Barolo its distinctive flavors and aromas. Fact number 3, Barolo has a unique taste profile that evolves over time. When young, it can be quite tannic and robust, with flavors of dark cherry, plum, and hints of tar and roses. However, as it ages, Barolo undergoes a magical transformation. It develops more complex flavors like leather, truffle, and dried fruit, becoming smoother and more elegant. Fact number 4, the region where Barolo is produced has its own classification system. The best vineyards in the Barolo region are classified as cru vineyards, which means they are recognized for producing exceptional quality wines. These vineyards are highly sought after, and their wines often command higher prices. Fact number 5, Barolo pairs perfectly with rich and flavorful dishes. Its high tannin content and acidity make it an excellent companion for hearty Italian cuisine. Think dishes like braised beef, truffle risotto, or aged cheeses. The robust nature of Barolo can stand up to bold flavors, creating a harmonious dining experience. Fact number 6, Barolo has a devoted following around the world. Wine enthusiasts and collectors eagerly anticipate each vintage release, and Barolo has become a symbol of luxury and sophistication. It's often considered a sound investment, with some bottles appreciating in value over time. Fact number 7, Barolo festivals are held annually to celebrate this magnificent wine. The most famous one is the Festa del Barolo, where wine lovers from around the globe come together to indulge in the finest Barolo wines, enjoy local cuisine, and immerse themselves in the rich culture of the region. So, there you have it, 7 unknown facts about the exquisite Italian wine, Barolo. It's truly a wine that captivates both the senses and the imagination. Whether you're a seasoned wine connoisseur or a curious novice, Barolo is an experience you don't want to miss. Cheers to the beauty and complexity of Barolo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of wine. Until next time, happy sipping.